Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube channel and also my very first video. I hope to receive your support as we start this journey together. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can create your own fully functional AI chatbot using Ollama. You may already know about the Ollama tool. I'll guide you step by step from downloading the tool to installing the required modules in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, as I showed, type Ollama into Google search bar. Then click on the official Ollama website at the top result. After that, we will talk about the menu bar and modules later. First, you need to download the tool. Click the download button. Then a page will appear where you can select your operating system and download it. Otherwise, you can copy the given code and paste it into the command line interface. We are now going into the modules. As you can see, the modules here I am showing you. Depending on the requirements, some options are highlighted and there are many modules. Try selecting version 3.5 and have a look. See the supported application and options. There are 2 billion, 3 billion scales data sets. As the data increases, the bot's knowledge also increases. Here there are also chats for the sizes and data. We can quickly Google and check whether it match our PC requirements. This is how the options are 2 billion for all of this. We can check the total by searching on Google for recommendations. I compare it like this. For my laptop, I would choose the 2 billion one as my option. If you want, you can also try smaller modules like 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 in Llama. If those modules give good performance, you can choose them. Since they run locally on our device, we get good performance depending. Output speed depend on my laptop performance. Now my laptop is getting quite hot. Everyone's performance is different. If there is a GPU, the performance will be much better and we can get faster output. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you. I hope to see you another video. Your support is my very important to me. Please subscribe and like to support me. This is my new YouTube channel. Name Robite 106. Thank you.